According to Al Jazeera, foreign direct investment fell by nearly 30% in 2023, plunging to its lowest level since 2016. Much of the high-tech investment that had driven Israeli growth slowed sharply, with an estimated 30% decline in foreign funding. A survey cited in the Economic Impact of the Gaza War study found that almost half of Israeli high-tech firms froze new investments, a quarter relocated operations abroad, and 44% reduced their workforce. These are not temporary wartime disruptions, they are signs of a deeper erosion of trust. This fragility also means that Israel cannot simply produce its way out of this crisis either. Unlike large economies that can cushion war-related costs with domestic industrial output, Israel relies on a globally integrated economic network. When that network frays, when venture capitalists relocate their portfolios, when tech firms shift operations abroad, and when sovereign wealth funds divest, it leaves Israel dangerously exposed. Perhaps no single event better captures this collapse in investor confidence than one of the most recent stories involving Intel's decision to scale back its operations in Israel. For decades, Intel symbolized the success of Israel's tech-driven economy. It was the country's largest private employer in the high-tech sector, contributing to 6 to 7% of total exports and more than 1% of GDP. Yet in the wake of the Gaza war, Intel has begun retreating. According to Calculist, Intel froze construction on its planned $25 billion Fab 38 semiconductor facility in Kiryat Gat, despite receiving over $3 billion in Israeli government grants to fund the project. The Tom's Hardware report goes further, confirming that Intel has not only cut hundreds of jobs, but is even considering shutting down its existing Fab 28 plant altogether. Layoffs at Fab 28 have already hit production and mid-management roles, reducing Intel's Israeli workforce to its lowest level in over a decade. And the reasons for it are very clear: war instability, rising operating costs, and plummeting investor confidence.